Ngayon naman, let's go to item 5-3. Sa item 5-3, ganito kasi yung nangyari. Okay? The carpenters are working on a new aquatic project. They are technically going to build the top-of-the-line pool area. So, yun yung gagamitin niya. Ang ginawa nila, ang situational na kwento ay ganito. The carpenters are going to work on a swimming pool. And they're going to build a swimming pool in the hotel area. Wow, galing naman. Gusto nila magawa ng swimming pool para sa lahat ng mga tao na gusto sila maghibig sa swimming. Para sa summer. Malapit na mag-summer dahil January na. Tapos after a few months, summer na agad. Eh di, gawin mo na! Yun. Okay? Now, here's the problem. The pool area consists of 3 sections. Actually, hindi po to yung problema. Ito yung plano nila. Kasi nga, just like what I said, when you plan something, the architect needs to make plans. Ang gawa ni architect ay magawa ng plans kung paano magawa yung building o bahay. Kaya may blueprint. Like halimbawa, kung hindi maayos yung plano, para maayos at malinaw, gumawa sila ng blueprint. Kaya later, as we go through the problem, I will show you how the blueprint is meant to be drawn. Okay? So, yun. So, ganito kasi yung nangyari. The pool area consists of 3 sections. So, yun yung plano nila. 3 section yung pool nila. The Olympic-sized swimming pool. Wow! Olympic-sized swimming pool. Ang laki yun. Pwede kayo mag-swim ng liberatively. Tapos, ang kiddie pool. Wow! Kiddie pool pa para sa mga bata. At ang bar. Wow, bar! Ano naman yung bar? Yung what you call this, kung saan ka magbibili ng pagkain. Hindi bar as in what you call this, drinking bar. Pwede naman ganun. Pero pool bar, yung ano yun, alam mo ko yun, yung what you call this, mag-upo ka, tapos mag-order ka ng pagkain, habang lumalangon ka, let's say if you want refreshments, yun yung ibig sabihin ng bar. Yun. So, now let's go to the problem. But that's the plan. Ito yung plano na gagawin nila. The Olympic-sized swimming pool measures 60 meters by 40 meters, whose depth is measuring 4.5 feet. Wow! Very nice. So, 60 meters by 40 meters. Yun yung plano nila ng pool. 60 meters by 40 meters. The kiddie pool is a semicircle whose diameter measures 32 meters with a depth of a yard. Wow! Depth of a yard. Alam mo yung depth of a yard? That's 3 feet. So, 3 feet ang what you call this, ang depth ng kiddie pool. Parang shallow lang yun ah. Next. The bar is placed in the edge of the Olympic-sized swimming pool. 16 meters is the measure of each side of the bar. Yan. So, ganito yung plano namin. So, yan. So, ganito yung proyekto nila. Diba remember ganito yun? Diba remember sabi ko, the Olympic-sized swimming pool, ito yung Olympic-sized swimming pool. So, ito yun. It measures 60 meters by 40 meters. Ito yung itsura ng pool nila. So, and then, di ba remember sabi dito, the kiddie pool is a semicircle. Ah, wait. Hindi siya circle na ganito. It's a semicircle na ganito. So, ito yung kiddie pool nila. Ito yung semicircle. So, semicircle ito. Tama. Semicircle ang kiddie pool. With, what you call this, diameter measuring 32 meters with a depth of a yard. Tapos, the bar is placed on the edge of the swimming pool. So, ano yung ibig sabihin ng edge? Yung malapit sa edge, di ba remember edge, pwede dito, pero if you want full edge, dito siya sa gilid. Pero, you can place the bar anywhere you like. Like, halimbawa, pwede dito, o pwede dyan. Pero, ito yun. Tapos, sabi doon, ang bar, 16 meters is the measure of each side of the bar. Yan. So, this is the bar, di ba? Ito yung bar nila. Ito yung bar. This is 16. This is 16 meters. Yun. So, ito yung blueprint na gagawin namin. Kaya, if you were the architect, before you make the building, you need to draw what it would be look like. So, ganito yun. So, ito yung architect. Magawa siya ng ito yung pool ha. Tapos, may bar doon. Sa gilid na to. Tapos, may kiddie pool doon sa ano yun. Kaya, to understand what the plan is like, you have to draw it. To visualize what it would be like. And then, the people will have to follow, the construction workers, will have to follow whatever your plan is on your blueprint. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng construction. Yun. Okay? So, that's the blueprint. Therefore, when you make the blueprint, this implies the application of following directions. So, be sure to follow the directions carefully so that you don't make a mistake. So again, before we proceed, let's double check. The Olympic size swimming pool is 60 by 40 meters. So 60, 40. Depende kung saan galing yung 60 at saka yung 40. Pwede ito yung 40, pwede ito yung 60. Depende sa'yo. The ball's in your court to do this. Tapos, the kiddie pool is a semicircle. Diba? Sabi ko kanina, circle to. Pero, nakita ko semicircle pala. So, always double check. So, semicircle ito. And this is 32 meters. Tapos, yung bar, it's placed on the edge of the pool. At 16 meters ay yung measure ng bar. Dimension. So, ito yun. Okay? Did we get everything right? Kung tama na lahat, let's proceed. Tapos, sabi dito, how much liters of water is needed for the project? Yan. How much water do we need in liters? So, to do this, ganito kasi nangyari. Diba kung swimming pool, diba remember, this is the length, this is the width, tapos, we still lack one thing. Diba remember when you were little, if you want to go swimming, anong kulang namin para what you always determine if it's safe for you to swim or not? Ang depth. Kasi nga, halimbawa, kung bata ka pa, kung yung pool ay 4 feet, hindi pwede yung mga bata unless grown up ka na. Kaya nga, what you call this, for the sake of the mga bata, they need adult supervision when it comes to swimming. So, yun ang ibig sabihin ko dyan. Okay? So, yan. So, we also need to have a depth. Pero ang sabi dito, ano yung depth nila? So, ang depth ng kiddie pool ay 1 yard. 1 yard, di ba 1 yard is 36 inches. 1 yard is 3 feet or 36 inches. So, yan. 3 feet to. This one, ang pool, 4.5 feet ay yung depth. Yan. That's how we're gonna do it. So, what we're gonna do is to solve for the volume. Yun. So, we're gonna solve for the volume of the two. So, paano gagawin yan? Punta tayo sa Word. So, di ba remember sa Excel pala? To get the volume of the Olympic size pool, di ba remember yung Olympic size pool? That is a rectangular prism. And to solve for the volume, it's very easy. Just do length times width times height. Teka lang. Di ba remember sabi ko sa'yo, your depth is in feet. Hindi parehas. Kung tama yung sagot mo, dapat parehas. So, therefore, you can do 40 times 60 times 4.5. But for the 4.5, you're gonna have to convert it. Kaya ginawa ko conversion table. So, di ba remember 1 feet is 12 inches. So, 4.5 feet, we have to convert that to 554. Ang ginawa ko ay 5.98 ay this one times 12. Arrow, and yun, we got 54. Yun. So, 54 inches. Now, 1 inch is 2.54 cm. So, we need to convert that to centimeters. So, this is what we did. 54 times 2.54. Ang sagot namin ay 137.16. Yun. That's in centimeters. Now, we need to convert that to meters. Paano i-convert namin sa meters? Madali lang yan. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. E di kasimple lang, i-move mo yung decimal point 2 places to the left. Diba? Kasi divide by 100, diba? E di 1.736, 1.3716. So, yun. Kung ginamit mo yung operation, ganito po rin yung itsura. 1.7316. So, yun yung depth ng pool. Olympic size pool. So, going back to the problem here, ang ginawa namin ay ito. This one. What's the I-102? Ang I-102 ay ito. Yan, nakita mo yung naka-highlight. That's the one I multiplied. So, this one, that is the 1 meter. This one. Times the area of the new pool. Wait. Before that, kasi nga, di ba, remember sabi ko, according to our blueprint, there is a bar. Kasi nga, kung ginawa namin to, yung pool, that will include the bar. Pero, ang tanong, kailangan namin maglagay ng tubig sa bar? Of course, hindi pwede. Kasi nga, di ba, remember yung bar, doon mag-work yung tindero o tindera na nagsuserve ng pagkain. Of course, ano ba? Maglumangin talaga yung bartender doon? Hindi pwede po. So, therefore, you're gonna have to remove the water from the bar. So, ito yung gagawin namin. Ganito kasi yun ha, makinig. So, di ba, remember ito yun. First, we get the area of the pool. ang gagawin namin ay kukunin namin ang area ng pool. So to get the area of the pool, you know it's 60 times 40. And you should get 2,400 square meters. And then area of the bar. We have to get the area of the bar first. And then from there, ganito kasi yun. We get 2,144 because we subtract the 2. We subtract the area of the bar from the area of the pool. Because we don't need to put water in the bar. Kaya na-eliminate yung bar. Okay? So, ganito kasi yun. And it should be 2,144 square meters. Okay? So, yun. Okay? Tapos, if you might be asking me what this is, I think this might be my extra solution. That can also be another solution pa rin. Like, for example, you can part this into two rectangles. Like, for instance, pwede maging 60, di ba remember 60, ito yun, times 40 minus 16. And 40 minus 16 is, ganito, 24. So, ang ginawa ko ay 60 minus 24. Ganito siya, for this part. And then, for this part, it's 16 times, what's the remnant? 60 minus 16 is 44. Yun. 16 times 44. So, ganito kasi yun. And then, when we add this up all together, you still yield the same answer, which is 2,144. Ayan. That's also another way that you can do. And then, what you call this, you multiply that with the depth. That's also another way. Kaya nga yun yung ginawa ko. You can either get the area of the entire pool itself and then get the area of the bar, then subtract. Or, you can part it into shapes like you get this one and this one individually. Yun. Okay? So now, going back now to the problem, di ba remember dito yun? We get the area of the Olympic-sized swimming pool. It's this I-102. Di ba, just like what I said, yung naka-highlight, nakakulay, that's the one you're putting in the operation. So the area of the new pool is 2,144 square meters. Yung ito. Yung hindi kasama yung bar. At saka yung depth ng pool. Because length times width, di ba, area of the base. Ito yung area ng base. Tapos times the depth. And we should get 2,940.7104 cubic meters. Yun yung volume ng Olympic-sized swimming pool. And then, now we're gonna get the volume of the kiddie pool. To get the volume of the kiddie pool, di ba remember, you have to get the area of the semicircle. Di ba? So this is 32 meters. Per 3 feet, you're gonna have to convert that into, you know, ano to? Meters. So kung gaano gagawin yan, ito yun. We know that 1 yard is 36 inches, di ba? And 36 inches times 2.54, that's 91.44. So yun yung tamang sagot. And then, that's cm. Then your height of the kiddie pool should be 0.9144. Yun yung tama. And then, to get the area of the kiddie pool itself, ito yung ginawa namin. Di ba, remember, get the area of the base. Di ba, remember, when we convert the dimension, we got the height. So, we need to get the length and the width. To get the area of the semicircle. Di ba, to get the area of the semicircle, it's pi times radius squared divided by 2. So, pi times the radius squared. Di ba, remember, the diameter is 32 meters. So, that's supposed to be 16. Diba? So, ganito kasi yun. So, yun. This is what I did. Yan. The area of the kiddie pool. 401.92 square meters pala. So, yun. Ito yung ginawa ko. 3.14 times 16 squared divided by 2. 16 times 16 divided by 2 times 3.14. You should get this answer. Yun. And then you multiply it with the depth here. When you multiply it with the depth here, you should get this answer. So yun yung tama. Okay?